Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chu. What do we have today? What am I gonna do today? I got a box. Well, what is that box? Oh, usually you jack your car up. You will see that rail down there, really thin. You don't want to hurt. You don't want to get damaged. So today I'm going to installing the jacking rail down there. Let me bring you down there, see how thin that thing is. You probably heard all of that already. It's down here. You can see this very thin piece of metal. So today I'm going to do the jacking rail. You don't really often jack up the car that often, so whether you go with Stida, BMR, full length jacking rail, but really how often do you really gonna jack the car up, except when you change your oil or you need to rotate tire, maybe once or twice a year if you do a lot of driving. Yes, maybe you get flat tire, then you need to jack them up. Beside that, you don't jack them up that much. So today I'm going to do the Shiftec jacking rail. I can't beat the price with the Shiftec jacking rail. They're only $99. You can go on their website, shiftec.com. You find them on there, $99. Stida, the cheapest I've seen is $140 or $200, $299, whatever that the price is. So today I'm gonna install it. So box pre-open, I can do open one hand camera and one hand with open up. So there you go, guys. So this is the jacking rail. You see, they only a certain length, not the full length. You can you see this? Can you see the jacking rail? These half length, similar to Stida jacking rail. So so guys, I'm going to install it in the car, and hopefully you enjoy to watch the video. Let show you what I need to do. You got to go under the car. Well, I have the car jack up ready. So it's on the jack stand right there. So let's go down and install it. Well, what do you need? You need a ratchet 15 millimeter, 15 ratchet and socket, and that's it. And also you need something like this, a blade. That's that you can cut out the let me show you. This is what you need to do. The seal right here, between here, you gotta cut them flat so it will flush with the frame when you install it. Otherwise you get a little hump over here. You see on this side here, a little hump. So you want to make it flat, but it's still sealing the frame. So now you need to take down the bolt. I loosen it, the first two, and then one in the back. In the back have two, but you only need to take out one. Now you can see this. There's two back here. This is on the Shelby. Have two. I'm not sure about the regular Mustang GT or EcoBoost, but have two. So you take one out. And you also need one right here. They will supply with you with the bolt, and then you just have to use that one of them. I'll use the original one. It's long enough. I don't want to use there. So that's how it is, guys. So I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna set you guys down here. Hopefully you guys can see the processing I'm doing. Excuse me if you get a good view out of it. Sorry about it. I hope you guys see me okay. Further back so you can see it better. So there we go. Another thing is, you gotta make sure you have the passenger side and the passenger side the right side. Shiftec, their product, they don't mark any which one which, the passenger or the driver side. So you gotta figure out yourself. I will show you what the difference soon. Let me hook this one up. Yeah, so if you have a lip would be perfect. But you don't have a lip, you gotta do this yourself, one hand. So it's doable. So you just have to manage to do it. So you want to tie it up with your hand, and then use your tool, tie it up. Let me grab another bolt. Okay, so before you tie it up, make sure you move this back a little bit so it will align with the hole, the second hole in the back. You don't want to tie it up first, so